Hello everyone, welcome to Green's Island. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own spray to use on your jutes and save them from those bugs eating them alive. Some of you might call it jutes, Molokhia, Egyptian spinach, Lalo. See? Nice and fresh. Can you imagine? Let me show you an example right here. Right here, as you can see, bugs eating my leaves alive. Right here. See that? Can you imagine? Most of my jutes were like this one right here. It was a disaster, guys. And then I turned them into this. I make my own organic spray and use on them. And now, right now, they're so nice and fresh. Let's get to it. So the ingredients we'll be using to make that spray, it's going to be organic virgin oil. We're going to need a piece of garlic and oregano, Cuban oregano. And also we're going to need dish liquid soap. Okay, let's take a closer look. This is the organic virgin neem oil we'll be using. I bought this on eBay. You can use, it doesn't matter of the brand. You can use any neem oil as long as it's organic. And this is the piece of garlic. And we're going to use that Cuban oregano. And as well, the dish liquid soap. And this is the mixture we're gonna use. And then we're gonna add some water. All right. So now, let's mix everything. This is the oregano. We can take the leaves. We can use some of the branches. It doesn't really matter. We're going to mix everything up together. This is the piece of garlic. You don't have to peel it. Just put it in there. So again, like I said, the neem oil, as long as it's a virgin neem oil, it's organic, because we're going to use that to spray the jutes, to spray on the jutes. Some of you call it Egyptian spinach or Lalo, but then again, it's all the same. We're gonna put everything in that mixer. You can use, it depends on how much you're making. If you're making a lot, you can use a big blender, but I think this juice mixer will do just fine. Right here. It's dry. I'm gonna put a little water in it. There you go. Sorry for the noise, but we have to mix it. I'm going to put a little bit more water to liquefy it. Let me put the water right here. Put some water. For this one, guys, I'm going to use half a gallon of water. You'll get to see after I mix this. That's it. There you have it. And then what we're going to do, we're going to pour it, get rid of the leaves. We don't want, because we're going to use a sprayer. So we don't want anything to stick in there. This is the Cuban Oregano we just mixed with garlic. 1 piece of garlic is fine. We're going to use half a gallon of water total. So I'm just gonna rinse this. Use that water. Total half a gallon of water. You just pour it in there. That's all I need. So if you need a large quantity, you can use more oregano. For half a gallon of water, for half a gallon of that spray we're going to make, you can use a handful of Cuban oregano. It's fine. Just mix it in there. And for the neem oil, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of neem oil. One, 2. Put it back. Let me show you, hold on, how it looks like so far. So far you see the oil on top. Yeah, that's it. Put some light in so you guys can see. This is the oregano I just mixed and take the juice out of it right here. So all I have left to do is put a little dish soap. You don't have to really measure it, just two drops. It should be okay. 1 and 2. You can use any dish soap. The purpose of using that that liquid soap, it's gonna, you see the oil, you'll be able to see when we stir it, it's all be gone. It's like it's used like it's going to mix it. It's going to how would I say that, get rid of the oil, but the oil will still there, but it won't be on top. It will be able to mix the oil, because we know oil and water don't mix, but when you put that liquid soap, it will mix together. So you stir everything together. You see what I was telling you? You can even see the oil anymore. See? So some of you might ask, why use the liquid detergent? That's why. That's the reason. And again, it doesn't matter which brand of liquid detergent you use, or the neem oil. Okay, and then that's it. We're going to put it in a sprayer. You can use a bottle spray, but me personally, I prefer to use a sprayer, a big one. It makes it easier for me, and it gets the job done quickly. And then now you start spraying. Keep spraying them. I don't know if you can see it yet. I'm using a sprayer. You spray the top first. It's pretty windy. It's about to rain. And then you go under. Spray under too. Get as much as possible. As much as you can. Next thing you know, you're going to have nice Egyptian spinach or jutes, or if you're Haitian, they call it Lalo. This spray we just made will be able to get rid of any insects, white flies. Just keep spraying. And then that's it. Thank you for watching, guys.